Hi everyone, my name is Rachael Thomas. I am editor at SME Media. I'm here today at the Manufacturing Technology Series show here in Dallas, here at the Greenleaf booth, and I'm with.
Martin Dillaman. I'm the global manager for engineering and applications at Greenleaf Corporation.
Awesome, well thank you for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, so I would like to know first off, what new products or services are you all showing here at the booth this year?
Oh, for the demonstration this year, we have a hardened steel that we're machining with our both indexable and solid ceramic tools. We produce a wide range of different products for milling and turning as well, but this focus here, we have running the mill here, running with some 4150 hardened to 50 Rockwell C. So being able to machine hardened steel shows the advantage to the customers. It's not always needing to machine something soft and then heat treat it. You can take it from the heat treated state and start machining on it directly, taking it to that finished product that they're after, saving them a lot of time and setup.
Awesome, yeah. So what are some new features or customer benefits or anything that you all are highlighting this year?
Well, just having that added productivity machining with ceramics. So generally, a lot of people are using carbide tooling for a lot of applications. You're going to be able to run at speeds up to 10 times faster with ceramics. So it's that time savings that we're able to offer customers. We offer carbide tooling as well. I mean, there's always those applications that you need to use those as well. But having the capability and the speed that offered with ceramic tooling is a huge benefit to the customers.
Yeah. And speaking of the customers, being at now, how many of the MT series shows have you all been at this
This
year?
is our fourth one
Our
this
fourth
year.
one,
So
okay.
yeah, we've been on the
Done
road a
all
lot this
four
year.
of them. Yeah, I love that. So being at all four shows this year, what are those main trends or questions that you're hearing about from customers?
It's eye-opening for them when they come by. They see the sparks flying during the
Yeah.
demonstration, and they're like, "What's going on?" And so once you start explaining the capabilities of using ceramics for machining, it's eye-opening to them. It gets them thinking of a new process, a new way to handle the materials that they're currently working with.
Yeah, yeah. And so, what, if at all, how is automation and also AI, how are they impacting the business?
Well, what we see is a lot of customers trying to set up processes for automation. So you need that real consistent tool life. So being able to develop a process not only with the speed, but then having good repeatable tool life for the products is important. So a lot of times we'll, go in, work, our sales team's very technical. They go in, work with the customer, trying to find what it is that we can offer them, what grade, what product's going to offer them the most repeatable tool life and best processes. So then they can go ahead and automate it with the new technology as well.
Yeah, absolutely. And so, being at the show and being, face to face with everyone, what is the importance of really getting out there and being able to network and just meet with customers and talk with them?
Oh no, it's been great just being able to connect with potential new customers.
Yeah.
Uh, Lots of people, lots of traffic here at this show, especially people coming into the booth or checking out the products. You get to make those connections and start having those initial conversations of where it is that we might be able to offer them value in their systems as well. So it's great to just have that initial point of connection here. And whether we have the direct sales guy, at this show, or it's feeding that lead, to someone within our network, to be able to make that next point of contact is great.
Yeah, for sure. And so, lastly, going into 2026, what is Greenleaf, what are you guys looking forward to most in the next year?
Yeah, just continuing to see growth. We have other new products that we're always looking at developing as well. Just trying to figure out new ways to offer our customers added advantage and productivity.
Yeah.
So it's always looking at new products, trying to develop those. But yeah, seeing especially within this market here down in Texas, there's a lot of manufacturing happening, especially with all the space programs, the oil and gas industry. We have a lot of tools that fit well into those markets, so continuing to see growth with those.
Thank you for your time and everything.
Yeah, no, thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.